SAS programming challenges in ISS and ISE studies having different baseline values. Introduction. We'll consider 12 studies to be pooled from A to L into one single ISS and ISE study. ISS is integrated summary of safety. ISE is integrated summary of effectiveness or efficacy. SDTM and ADAM data standards wherever relevant. The problem here is having different baseline definitions, safety versus efficacy. Now, you have 12 individual studies that you are trying to pull into one single ISS or an IC study. So what happens is the baseline definition will not be same. It will differ from studies to study. So say in one study, you have baseline maybe pre-dose on day 1, or in another study, it could be baseline as the last non-missing value prior to first dose. So how to fix this problem? Let's go ahead. The solution here is define and document a canonical baseline rule for polling. For example, last non-missing value prior to index date within X days. Generate baseline variables using that rule and keep study specific baseline variables for traceability. So baseline definitions is different across all 12 different studies, right? So you need to come up with the harmonized first the baseline definition, especially in the ISS and ISE SAP, right? Once that definition is finalized, then you can think over as to how to fix this issue in the data sets and how to implement its formula. Say scenario here is study A baseline is equal to day -1. In study B it is day 1 pre-dose. In study C it is last pre-dose within 7 days. So you can use ADT and dose start date to filter records whatever the ADT is less than dose start date. For each subject and analyte you can pick the latest date within -8 to 0. Then you can create the baseline flag and baseline method fields. Now you can use proc sort by unique subject ID and analyte, and then first dot and last dot, especially in your data step structure logic. And you can also use prog SQL max date. So whichever you're comfortable to use, either first dot or last dot, or prog SQL max date. So you can filter those records and you can create the baseline flag. So this is how you can fix the issue whenever you see different baseline definition across different studies, and based on the harmonized definition that is finalized in the ISS and ISE SAP, based on that whatever is implemented, the descriptive sentence that is written, the same should match the logic when you do the SAS programming and analysis. Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.